Hey, this is Aiden with Workman Firearms. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble the Springfield XD series. It's going to be super simple, not a lot to it. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do when you come up to your firearm is clear it. Remove that Swiss ammunition. And then now, lock that slide to the rear. From here, physically and visually inspect your chamber. Inspect your magazine well. One last time, physically and visually inspect your chamber. Alright, your firearm's clear. You send the slide forward. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is rack your slide and lock it to the rear. Just like so. Now from here, you're going to rotate your takedown lever to the 12 o'clock position just by pressing up on it. Now, you're going to simultaneously ride the slide forward while pressing up down on your slide stop. From here, press in your trigger, and this is going to release the slide. Once the slide is released, you can pull it right off. From here, you can now remove your recoil spring assembly, remove your barrel, and then you can set down that slide. Now, in this condition, your firearm is completely field stripped and you can do proper maintenance to it, whether that be cleaning or just inspecting your overall firearm. Now to reassemble, it's pretty simple. We're just gonna go in the reverse order. Pick up your slide and your barrel, drop your barrel in, and slide it to the rear so it's aligned with the breech. Grab your recoil spring assembly. Set your recoil spring assembly right on top of the barrel. Now using your thumb, you're going to apply forward and downwards pressure, locking your recoil spring assembly into the barrel lug. From here, you're going to want to check alignment. Make sure that spring is nice and aligned and inside of that barrel lug. Grab your frame. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to align up your slide rails with your frame rails. And then you're going to slide your slide right back onto your frame. Now from here, you're going to lock your slide to the rear by pressing up on your slide lock. Now engage the takedown lever. And then you can send your slide forward. From here, we're now going to perform a functions check to make sure that we've correctly reassembled the firearm. Rack your slide once. Press in your trigger. Listen for the click. Once you heard the click, hold that trigger to the rear and rack your slide a second time. Slowly release the trigger, listening for the reset. All right, and you heard the reset, meaning we did reassemble this firearm correctly and it's in working condition. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.